Welcome to Al Isla National Academy, the best foundation for great future.
So today we are going to start a new chapter, that is weather and climate. The chapter belongs from class 5 geography section. So in this chapter we will cover this one, what is weather, what is climate, what are the present climatic conditions of the state of Assam, or what are the types of climates are there. So we are living in country in India. So in India, what are the climatic conditions are there. So some other states of like Jammu and Kashmir, Goa, Delhi, Guwahati, such type of cities are there where the various types of climatic conditions are there. So we will read about this one, and in this chapter we will cover all the places in a particular climatic region have the same climates and why. So my dear today the thing is that weather is a condition of the atmosphere of a certain period of time. So again I am just repeating, the weather is the condition of the atmosphere over a certain period of time. It may changes from day to day, hour to hour. It means certain period of time, it means within 15 minutes, after 15 minutes it may changes. Now you just assume that yes, you look there, no, I am just joking. Now the thing is that at present in front of me now this one, the day is a very shiny day. It may be, or it may certain that after 15 minutes it may very rainy day it may happen. So again after 35 minutes later again it may become very cold. So after 15 minutes or a certain period of time it may changes, it means vary. We can use the mathematical term variable. So it varies after 15 minutes or certain period of time. So what are the atmospheric conditions is varies. So such type of thing or certain period of time, what are the atmospheric condition is known as weather. So now the chapter name is weather and the climate. So I think I hope you understood the weather, the term weather. Now I am just going to elaborate or illustrate the word climate. So climate means it's a longer period of time. It means that in India 6 months are, or 2 or 3 months are very hot day. Again another season came like rainy season, spring season. It means it covered two months. It means longer period of time it's covered. The atmospheric condition is known as the climate. So it means the kind of weather a place normally has over a longer period of time becomes the characteristics of it, that is called climate. So these are the basic idea or basic knowledge about the bulletin point of this chapter, that is weather and climate. So my dear students, so now the thing is that in India climates are two types, that is hot climate, another one is cold climate. So some places in the world remain hot for most of the time of the year, they have hot climates. Now the thing is that in the world, just I am considering the globe, so most of the regions are this one hot region. So these things are, or these regions are the hot climates, and another one is the most of the this one places where mostly cold have the cold climate. If the area or the places which have the cold season or the cold atmosphere, so such type of thing, such type of places or these places are known as cold climates. So now another thing is that their climate is hot wet. The area where the lots of rainfalls or the hot places receive a lot of rainfall too, their climate is hot wet, and the places with little rain have a dry climate. It means the places like Goa, if we go the state of Goa state, then it receives a little bit amount of rainfall. So such type of places are dry climate, or such type of places have the dry climate. If the places have getting the more and more amount of rainfall, then such places or the such this region we may consider as a hot wet. So now the measuring of climate, already we know about this one, we are getting the knowledge about the weather and the climate. So now it is turn, or now it is time to measure the climate, what is the present climatic condition. So for measuring the climatic, so it's have two things. It means the two most important of them are the temperature of a places, and another one is the amount of rainfall. For measuring the climate, so first we think first thing we should cover, that was it is there the temperature of the places, another one is the amount of rainfall received by the places. So now for the scientific region, or for scientifically we should measure something, it means we should measure the temperature with the help of a scientific instrument. We should measure the rainfall with the help of another scientific instrument. So these are the scientific instrument. I am just covering this one. First scientific instrument is the thermometer. So with the help of thermometer, or by using the thermometer, we should measure the temperature of a places or temperature of the air. Another instrument is, or the degree or the unit of the temperature, we are considering the Fahrenheit, and another one is the degree or Celsius. Now another instrument is rain gauge. With the help of rain gauge, we should measure the rainfall of a places or of a region. So yesterday night the rainfall was happened or occurred. So how much or the amount of rainfall we use the scientific instrument, that is the rain gauge. So with the help of rain gauge, we measure the rainfall or the amount of rainfall. Another one is the scientific instrument, that is the barometer. So with the help of barometer, we take the atmospheric pressure. Beside this are many other instruments which help us to charting the weather condition. This is the measurement about or measuring the climatic condition of a certain region. So now what are the important factors making the climate? So with the help of which thing the climate makes? So do you know what they actually makes the climate of a places? So okay, there are quite number of factors which go into its making. The first thing is that sun. So we the people know that this sun are the natural source of light which gives us the sunlight and heat. So without sun we cannot survive in this globe, we cannot survive in this periphery of the earth. So sun is very much important. So this is the most important factor while making the climate. The second factor is that atmosphere. Now the term atmosphere means what? The atmosphere means it is a atmosphere makes or atmosphere formed by the gases as well as the water vapor. So now the thing is that the atmosphere is what the atmosphere help us? The atmosphere help us to protect or to stop the ultraviolet ray or whatever the harmful ray are reaching to the earth. So the atmosphere stop this one to reach on the earth. So now the thing is that atmosphere means it is made up of gases and water vapor. Earlier I just told you, or it like a blanket of wind, blanket of gases which covers the whole earth. So now the thing is that another thing is that bridge, land bridge and sea bridge. So or water cycle. The concept of water cycle means that on a sunny day or in the summer season, the pond water or the lakes water or river water become very hot. So due to this reason the water become evaporate. So after that what happen, in a certain atmospheric condition it become rigid or it become cold. So due to this reason the gases or water vapor become the tiny water droplets, and due to this one it become freezed and it become heavier, and after that it become fall down on the earth. The rotation of this thing are become or due to this reason, or the rotation of this thing or the rotation of this phenomena are known as the water cycle. Now the main factors affecting the climate. What are the factors just affect the climate? The first factor is distance from the equator. So this is our earth, or you may globe or periphery of, if the sun is just stable here, then whatever the sunlight are getting this equator line, it just parallel. If I consider this one the 10 kilometer, if just think that my hand is beside 10 kilometer away from this globe. So while this sunlight producing the light from this equator, the distance of this sunlight is 10 kilometer. So it means the sun is the spherical shape. So while this portion also producing the light, so if northern pole gets the light, it means beside or more than 10 kilometer. It means this portion are covering outside. So it is the distance between this sun as well as the equator lines are only 10 kilometer. If the portion is above side, so this portion or the north pole, the poles of the northern side or northern hemisphere, this getting more than 10 kilometer, or so it is getting, it means 15 kilometer. So you just think that for reaching the light is take more and times. Is a similar way as the southern hemisphere also getting more and more time for this one. So due to this reason, the northern pole and the southern pole are the coldest climates have in the globes or in the earth. Now direction of winds. Now what are the directions of wind? Directions of wind means you have already learnt about the movements of wind causes changes in temperature of a place. The winds which carry the rain, it's known as, such type of winds are known as monsoon winds. So another winds, it means trade winds. Why the monsoon wind called as a trade wind? Because with the help of monsoon wind, the merchant or the ship merchant, those who have the business with the other countries, which means the ship also or the boats also can travel one place to another with the help of this trade wind. So this is the second factor. Now distance from the sea. A coastal area, it means the beside the sea area, whatever the areas are there, like Goa, Karnataka, sorry, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, or beside the Bay of Bengal, what are the region present, and that this region is the colder region. It means neither too hot or neither too cold, because if this one, the places of this region become colder, then this water easily cooled by the water. This due to why this occurred, because due to the land region sea beach concept. Now altitude means the height of a places above the sea level. It means altitude, while we are using the mathematical term, altitude means height of a triangle, altitude of triangle means the height of a triangle. So now the thing is that while we are covering in the mountain area, if we go in the upper level of height, or if we reach, or if we climb the mountain, then we will get pleasure of the cold climate. Why it's happen? Because you just think that even in our native state, it's like if I go from Bodorpur to Haflong area, then Haflong area at the hilly station, while we are going in the, if we go in the summer season in this one hilly station, this is the month of January, this is the month of April and May. It's too hot in the Bodorpur area. So if I think that I know, and now I used to go to in the Haflong area. So you know that the Haflong area, the hilly station. So if we go in the summer season, then also we are getting the cold. Why? If we got the upper sides or high level places, then we take breathe easily, and due to this reason, the hilly station become the colder region. So now the next thing is that climatic region. So in India or in the world, there are 4 climatic regions are there, or the main climatic regions of the world are, the first climatic regions are, that is the equatorial region. It means already I just discussed you, this portion are equatorial region. Next one is the tropical region. It means the northern hemisphere tropical region. The third one is the temperate region. It means with the help of temperature, the climatic region is the temperate region. I hope you have understood the video. If you have any doubt, any kind of queries, you may write, you may approach, or you may write in the comment box. Thank you so much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon for latest update.